Oh my God.
Box cover. So Camila Cabello leaves Fifth Harmony. I mean, please, Saint ain't so Camila, Saint ain't so Camila.
You could take my pulse right now, it would feel just like a sledgehammer.
You are the reason why I love that song, Work, Work.
I'm sending pick after picture, I'ma get you fired.
And I love all your songs, them when you sing the one bag of runs and the high notes, them, and you just make the song, them just shot.
Yeah, we can work from home.
So at first, when I heard the news, I was low-key, legit hoping that it would have been the short one from the group. What's her name? Ali?
So tongue-in-cheek when we're laying on roses.
Sorry, Ali. So the news broke on Twitter shortly after 12 midnight. The group wrote, after 4.5 years of being together, we have been informed via her representatives that Camila has decided to leave Fifth Harmony. We wish her all the best. Signed, Ali, Normani, Dina, and Lauren. No. So wait there. Hold up. You mean to tell me say Camila not even have the decency to go and step to her own group members them and tell her she should have left the group? Really, Camila? Really, Camila? You well gonna establish yourself with team, representatives? No, sir, no, my girl did that plan from a long time. You were planning this thing from a long time. Then again, years ago when you were on the show X Factor, Demi Lovato, the judge at the time, did tell you that you were the star of the group. So I guess you took that to heart and, you know.
Right now there's only one person doing it for me. Camila? Yes, I think you guys should all learn something from her.
So what is going to happen now? The group can't be called Fifth Harmony with 4 members. Fourth Harmony? Nah. Maroon 5 couldn't be called Maroon 4 if Adam left. Backstreet Boys couldn't call Front Street Boys if Nick decides he want to go to the top of the road. And Destiny's Child could not hard be Destiny's Child without more than one member. Wait there. What? Why them never name Destiny's Children? So shortly after the news broke online, devastated fans took to Twitter to share their basically vent and share pictures of the group without Camila, of course, and naming the group H4 Harmony. H4 Money. Yeah, H4 Money. Take a look. Well, people, I guess this is just the fate of almost every single group that you can think of. And just what day Zayn left One Direction and get a hit song. So I hard guess that Camila looked at this and decided that, you know what, I'm going to try my luck. And so far, it seems to be paying off for her. Because so far, she has a top 10 song on the Hot 100 Billboard charts called Bad Things featuring Machine Gun Kelly. Let us hope that Camila's solo career actually works out, because if it doesn't,
Yeah, we can work from home.
well, for the rest of the girls in the group, I must say that, you know, Camila tried to tell you all of this years ago. You were warned.
I'm breaking down, gonna start from scratch. Shake it off like an etch-a-sketch. My lips are saying goodbye.
Well, that is it, people. Thank you so much for watching another Dutty Berry Show. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @DuttyBerryShow. And leave a comment below. What is your take? Do you think that Fifth Harmony will be able to move on without Camila? Do you think that she will have a prosperous solo career? Do you think that she made a bad choice leaving the group? What is your take? Comment down below.